we'll guide you through how to create WooCommerce coupons. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and select Marketing from the left-hand menu. Then, click on Coupons. This will take you to the Coupons page where you can manage all your existing coupons or create new ones. Go ahead and click on Add Coupon at the top. Now, you'll need to enter a coupon code. This is the code your customers will use at checkout, so make it something easy to remember yet unique. Below that, you can add a description for your reference, something brief that reminds you what the coupon is for. Next, head to the Coupon Data section. You'll see 3 tabs: General, Usage Restriction, and Usage Limits. In the General tab, you can set the discount type, like percentage discount or fixed cart discount, and enter the amount. You can also set a coupon expiry date if you want the coupon to be valid for a limited time. Next, go to the Usage Restriction tab. Here, you can set conditions for the coupon, such as minimum and maximum spend, or specify products or categories for which the coupon is valid. You can even exclude products or categories if needed. Finally, in the Usage Limits tab, you can determine how many times the coupon can be used in total and per customer. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Publish to make the coupon live. And that's it. You've successfully created a WooCommerce coupon. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.